السلام عليكم.
When I book the taxi, you're coming now?
Yes حبيبتي, this taxi not aeroplane.
I'm not gonna book next time.
Book ولا file?
What?
Nothing. Where you want to go?
Take me to the hospital nearby.
Why you want to go hospital? What problem?
Are you a doctor?
Yes, me doctor. Me name MBBS by mistake. Me know everything.
Your name is by mistake?
Yes.
Why is your name by mistake?
Me tell you later, no problem. Why you want to go hospital? What problem with you?
It's okay, forget it.
Don't worry, me doctor for everything. In my area, if anything happen, they call me.
Oh, really?
Really, me not joking. One time, one guy, he have cancer. He come to me. Me give him Benadryl, he become fine.
What rubbish.
And another time, one lady, she have tumor. She come to me, she say, Dr. MBBS by mistake, please help me. I said, of course, no problem, I help you. Then I give the lady Benadryl and Vicks. And she become fine.
Were you working as a nurse here in the school? Because you're literally giving everyone Vicks and Panadol.
لا حبيبتي, me not nurse, me doctor. Now trust me and tell me your problem.
I just have stomach pain since yesterday.
Oh, why you go hospital? No need to go hospital. You need to go toilet.
MashaAllah, nice doctor you are. I also have headache.
أيوة, no need hospital for this also. You need to go toilet and wash your face.
For everything you will say go toilet?
لا حبيبتي, if you have the heart problem, لازم you go hospital.
I also feel tired sometimes.
You have the hibernation.
I have what?
Hibernation, you not know hibernation? If you not drink the water, you get the hibernation.
I think you mean dehydration.
Yes, dehydration. For this you need drink coconut juice.
What juice?
Coconut juice, you not know coconut juice? Same like this, green color, inside have juice.
It's coconut juice. And can you please make it fast? I'm getting stomach pain.
Maybe you pregnant. Mabruk.
I'm not even married.
You don't have to marry to become pregnant.
Stop. Can you please stop the car here? Please stop here.
Me on the main road, me cannot stop the car here.
I don't care.
Okay, خلاص, let me bark.
What? Why will you bark? Are you a dog? Can you please stop the car?
To stop the car, me need to bark first.
If you bark, I'll scream now. Stop the car.
Okay, me stop the car, me barking.
Crazy guy.